Hi, I'm Carol, and this is my van that was built by Vansmith, and I am absolutely delighted with it and would love to show you around. Okay, so I have a lower bed than most of theirs because I did not want to climb into the high bed. So I've got a double-sized bed here, which is super comfortable, and it gives me some more space beside the bed over there. I've got the let's see, that's just this fan up there. Storage. I have the all-important toilet, which is not difficult to empty at all. I decided I hated to get down on my knees to get into my refrigerator, which I had to do on my old van. So I have a refrigerator that is at chest height, which is really exciting, with the microwave above and storage below and a little storage on the side. It did cut into my counter space, but what I have found is if I take this, put it right there, I have almost as much counter space as I ever need. And I do have the, what's the name of this? Lagoon? No, what's the name of the table? Oh, I'm sorry.
Lagoon.
The Lagoon. The Lagoon table that I can put in if I need more space, which I have done once. It's a two-seater. My dog has a space. One of the things I love the most about this is I have a heated floor, which is fabulous because I often travel in winter, and air conditioner, which runs on 12 volt, so I can leave my dog in the van in summertime and he is not ever in danger, which is wonderful. I've got bug shields for all my doors and windows. I don't know, it's a pretty wonderful space.